Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss the Lucid Air has quickly established itself as a game changer in the electric luxury sedan market. Combining cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and an opulent interior, this car is more than just a competitor to Tesla, it's setting a new standard for EVs. From the moment you see the Lucid Air, it's clear this car is built to impress. Its design is futuristic yet elegant, with a sleek profile, clean lines, and a distinctive light bar that runs across the front and rear. The aerodynamic efficiency is remarkable, with a drag coefficient of just 0.21, making it one of the most efficient EVs on the market. The combination of form and function is evident in every detail, from the flush door handles to the expansive glass canopy that creates a stunning, open feel inside. Performance is where the Lucid Air truly shines. The base model, the Lucid Air Pure, comes with a 480 horsepower motor and rear-wheel drive, offering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4 seconds. But if you want the ultimate experience, the top-tier Lucid Air Sapphire takes things to a whole new level. With over 1,200 horsepower from a tri-motor setup, the Sapphire achieves a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Then there's the range. The Lucid Air offers some of the best range figures in the industry. The mid-tier Air Grand Touring boasts an incredible EPA-estimated range of up to 516 miles on a single charge, thanks to its advanced 113 kilowatt-hour battery pack and efficient design. Fast charging is another highlight. With a 900-volt architecture, the Air can add up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes using a DC fast charger. Inside, the Lucid Air is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials like leather, wood, and Alcantara. The floating 34-inch glass cockpit display curves elegantly around the driver, offering navigation, media, and vehicle information. Below it, a retractable center screen controls climate and other features, disappearing when not in use for a clean look. The rear seats offer ample space, and the optional executive rear seating package adds reclining seats and additional legroom, making it perfect for passengers who want to travel in first-class comfort. The Lucid Air also has impressive storage, with a spacious front trunk and a rear cargo area that rivals traditional luxury sedans. On the road, the Lucid Air delivers a smooth and serene driving experience. The adaptive suspension and noise-canceling technology create a tranquil environment, while the precise steering and instant torque remind you that this is no ordinary luxury car. Advanced driver assistance systems, including Lucid's DreamDrive suite, offer features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera for effortless driving. The Lucid Air's pricing starts at $88,900 for the base Pure model, but as you move up to trims like the Touring, Grand Touring, and the high-performance Sapphire, the price can climb well past $250,000. While it's a significant investment, the combination of range, performance, and luxury makes it worth every penny for those seeking the best EV experience. The Lucid Air isn't just a car, it's a vision of what the future of electric mobility can be. It blends performance, efficiency, and comfort in a way that few vehicles can. For those ready to embrace the future, the Lucid Air is more than a car, it's a revolution.